The SACP issued a statement this week in which it claimed that the views of its first Deputy Secretary, Jeremy Cronin, had been misrepresented in the Mercury newspaper. In an article published on Monday, May the 2nd, the Mercury quoted Cronin as saying, "As things stand, the charges should be reinstated, even if it was not his, Zuma's, decision to withdraw the charges. As long as they hang over him, they do impact upon him." The SACP later denied that Cronin, who is the Deputy Minister of Public Works, had called for the reinstatement of the charges against Zuma. The party said Cronin had said the NPA should either provide rational reasons for continuing not to proceed with the charges against President Zuma or, alternatively, to proceed with the charges. Here is the voice recording taken during an interview by Mercury journalist Bongani Hans. After hearing the clip, you can judge for yourself whether Cronin was misrepresented or not.
In effect admitted that in regard to the Nkandla matter and the Constitutional Court judgment, because obviously he reversed the stand on the Nkandla matter. I think that as for the spy statement, the High Court recent decision, that is not something that actively President Zuma has done. Clearly the finding was directed primarily at the former head of the National Prosecuting Authority, Mshe, and it was said that his activity, that his decision not to prosecute or proceed with prosecution was irrational. So I think we must be careful not to blame President Zuma for things that there's no proof that he influenced Mshe whatsoever. But at the same time, obviously, we do need to be concerned about the general reputation of President Zuma, and I think one would have to be, blind in South Africa not to recognize, not to understand that his reputation and standing has suffered a serious blow. And I think that they need to. I think it would be difficult for them not to reinstate them. If they fail to, then they would have to provide good reason for not reinstating them, and there might be good reasons. But as things stand, I think that they will certainly should reinstate the charges. And I think, as the ANC itself has correctly said, that justice delayed is justice denied. And so as long as many of these things hang over President Zuma, even if it wasn't his decision to withdraw the charges originally, as long as they hang over him, they obviously do impact upon.
You're saying that if the charges are not reinstated, obviously there's going to be questions that are hanging.
Yes, no, absolutely. Those questions have been hanging for some time because of the withdrawal. Now that the court has said that the withdrawal was irrational by the former head of the NPA, it does mean that either the NPA provides a very good reason why there are not rational reasons to withdraw them, or it proceeds with recharging. That's the challenge facing the NPA at present.